Okay, good morning. We are on our way to Bluewater. Kagagaling lang namin sa Municipal Hall ng Baggao. And I'm with
his son.
So first road trip, first father and son road trip for the year. And he requested it right before school starts.
Because we did not go to a lot of places this summer.
You mad? You mad?
No. I'm happy now.
Welcome to Bluewater Cave and Falls. Welcome to the entrance of Bluewater Falls and Cave. Okay, so safety first, flashlight, life vest. Let's go inside the cave. Jump! Jump!
Wait lang here.
It's okay, relax, relax.
I'm not panic. I wanna be in the video.
Hindi tayo makita.
I'll be down. Yes. I'm here.
Okay, so Zeph is inside the Olympic swimming pool of Bluewater Cave and Falls. Yes! Woo! Grabe, sobra. If you are from Cagayan and you haven't been to Bluewater Cave and Falls, you're missing half of your life. Ang ganda dito sa loob.
Hi.
Next time, let's bring a brighter light. So we survived our first trip inside Bluewater Cave. Good job!
I jumped.
Good job! We conquered Bluewater Cave and Falls. Woo!